welcome to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today in this video we're focusing on how to use our tumble dryers most efficiently. Some people can only use their dryers. They don't have the option of drying their clothes any other way. Some people don't have any outside space for a washing line. Some people can't use a clothes airer because their house is at risk of condensation, or they don't have a well ventilated space, and that can just cause more problems in the long run. And some people, it's just their season of life. Maybe they've got baby clothes to get clean or school uniforms to get dry, and they just don't have the time to be trying to air dry their clothes, and the tumble dryer is the best option for their sanity. So what tips are there to use the dryer most efficiently? Well, first off, if you need to use a dryer, put your clothes in for an extra spin cycle to make sure you get out as much water as possible. Also, it's best to dry on your off-peak tariff time, so contact your energy company to find out when those are. They're usually at night or early in the morning. The man that actually fitted my smart meter told me this tip. He said put a dry, fluffy towel in your load to reduce drying time, and he also said dryer balls are good for beating out wrinkles, and because they separate the clothes and make a bit of airflow, that also reduces drying time. You don't need the official dryer balls. Tennis balls will work just as well. And also, don't just shove your load in on a 2-hour cycle. Think, I'm going to be here. You shouldn't have your tumble dryer on when you're not home anyway. Set it for an hour, check it. It might just need an extra 10 minutes. And finally, don't overload that dryer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.